I have a strong feeling this year is all about intentional, mindful, and slow traveling. So I kicked it off with a family staycation at a beautiful resort right in the middle of a farm. Come along as we explore this relaxing escape, try fun activities, and make wonderful memories together. Welcome to the Cabin Resorts.
Good morning, everyone. It's currently 11:51 a.m. and we are going to Bulacan because mag-staycation tayo. Ito yung isa sa gift ko kay Papa kasi nung birthday niya last week, hindi ako nakapag-celebrate with them. And I'm so excited! Kasama ko si JC, siya yung nagda-drive. So, babalik tayo sa The Cabin. If you guys remember, nakapag-stay na tayo doon before and I'm so happy kasi that time kasama natin si Senyorita but now, so sad, hindi nakasama ni Senyorita, but still I want to take my family there kasi maganda yung naging experience namin before. And bago na yung binook namin na villa, may mas malaki na silang villa ngayon. And wala naman tayo ganong itinerary since staycation lang naman yung plano talaga natin. Mag-enjoy lang tayo. Yung biyahe natin from Quezon City to The Cabin is around 2 hours. So 70 kilometers daw. See you later, guys!
Make this go away. I need a top shelf drink to set me straight and a little bit of honey to make this go away. Don't even chew her prey, just swallow me whole. It's just a little bit of heart, but that's just how it goes. It's just a scratch, a little water in the tank like a flat. Oh, tired that you changed, just a bad dream, but I gotta wake up, let it go.
Hello! We are finally here at The Cabin. Kakadating lang namin. It's currently 1:59 p.m. Wala naman kaming ganong na-encounter na traffic and kaya lang kami medyo natagalan kasi puminto pa kami ni JC sa Shell tapos nagkain pa kami doon ng potato corner. But right now, nandito na kami and look, yan yung receiving area nila. So, ang naalala ko before, ipapa-fill up nila kayo ng parang agreement, nakalagay dun yung mga house rules, papaliwanag din nila, and kung ano yung mga free activities that you can enjoy here na complimentary sa booking nyo. Kahit na anong room types or cabin types, may free activities kayo. Good afternoon po. Ito yung kailangan nyo fill upan yung name ng guest and registration po, guys. Kakagaling lang namin dun sa reception, guys. And binigay na sa amin yung cabin key. Ito na siya. Tapos may mga butler naman sila, sir. Tutulungan nila kayo maglagay ng gamit from your car to here. May enough naman sila na parking space. Pinaliwanag din kanina sa amin kung ano yung mga activities na included. Like kayaking, pwede kayong magbike, swimming. Kasi meron sila dito parang mini pond. Tapos, pwede din kayong mag-archery. Now, if you want to upgrade your activities to bonfire and 30 minutes na ATV, babayad lang kayo ng 1,250. And I think that's enough na. And fair din naman yung pricing. Tingnan nyo. Ayan yung first swimming pool. Tapos, ayan yung mga cabin na good for 2 to 4 packs. Tapos, ito naman yung mga loft types. I think that's good for 6 packs. And then, yun yung mini pond. Tapos, sa taas yung restaurant and meron doong infinity pool overlooking yung farm. Perfect dito mag-morning walk.
Here's a cabin tour for you all. There are 3 types of cabins here and we booked the biggest one, the 3-bedroom cabin with a private pool. Not gonna lie, it's a bit on the pricey side, but for me it's worth it because our whole family really enjoyed our stay and that's what matters most. As soon as you enter, you are welcomed by the living room and this dining table that faces the private pool. I love how open everything feels. The high ceiling and the huge windows make the whole place feel bright and inviting. And the view, you can literally see the trees and plants outside while you're just chilling inside the cabin. The ambience is so relaxing, it feels private but still very connected to nature. Over here at the corner, there's another dining table beside the kitchen area and refrigerator. Just a little heads up though, cooking is not allowed here as part of their policy to prevent fire accidents, but you can bring your own food. There's just a corkage fee of 1,500 pesos. They do provide some basics like kettle, oven toaster, and a small coffee and tea area, which is nice for quick snacks and morning drinks. No worries about food because they also have an in-house restaurant. They serve Filipino dishes plus some pasta, pizza, and pastries. So you won't definitely go hungry. So on the first floor, you will also find the master bedroom. It comes with a queen-sized bed and its own private toilet and bath, which I really like for the extra privacy. This is where Jason and I stayed and we honestly slept so well here. The bed was comfy and since it's on the ground floor, it felt really peaceful and quiet at night. Just a small honest note, the shower could use a little bit of maintenance. The hot shower sometimes malfunctions and we experienced the same thing with the shower in the second room upstairs. It's not a deal breaker but just something to keep in mind. Other than that, the room itself is really cozy and comfortable for us. Before I show you the highlight, aka the swimming pool, let me take you upstairs first. Up here is where you will find the other bedrooms.
Okay tayo guys. May nakikita akong first door. First door, second door, third door. Pasukin natin ang unang door. Wow!
Here you will find the 2 other bedrooms and a common toilet and bath. The first room is perfect for bigger groups because it has 2 double beds. There's also a working table, a TV, and it even comes with its own private toilet and bath, which is really convenient. It's actually a pretty spacious room, so if you're coming with friends or extended family, this setup works really well. One thing I noticed though, they don't have an intercom or telephone inside the cabin, so if you need assistance, you will have to step outside and look for a staff member. It's not a huge issue, but it can be a bit inconvenient, especially if you need something right away.
And this is the spacious room for me. Meron ditong double bed. And look at that! Sobrang luwag. As in, ang luwag. Tapos, ito yung TV. Meron kayong sariling TV. Sa lahat ng room may TV. And then sa living area din meron. The second bedroom is so big. If ever you will decide to add more people, and pwede kayong maglagay dyan ng mattress pa. And even if mag-add kayo ng mattress, maluwag pa din talaga. Cause look at that.
The next room is a queen-sized bed and the space is really wide. Even if you add an extra floor mattress, there's still enough room to walk around comfortably. It doesn't feel cramped at all, which is great if you're staying with kids or extra guests. Right across this bedroom is the common toilet and bath. This bathroom is shared by everyone staying upstairs, and just to make it clear, the only bathroom on the first floor is inside the master bedroom. So if you're not staying in the master bedroom, you will most likely use this common bathroom upstairs. So layout-wise, it's simple. Master bedroom downstairs has its own bathroom. Upstairs, one bedroom also has its own bathroom, and then there's this common bathroom for everyone else to share. I hope that makes it easier to understand. Finally, the private pool. I'm not really sure about the exact measurement, but I think it's about 3 to 4 feet deep. I just base it on my height. The pool is not heated and there is no clear information if you can have it heated with additional fee, so I suggest just inquire about it. My nephew and I enjoy the pool so much, so refreshing and relaxing. Also, it would be so nice to spend time here with my dog Senorita. I wish she was still with us. Yes, the cabin resorts allow 1 small tamed pets, and if you want to bring more, I think there's an additional charge for that. By the way, there's an outdoor shower at the pool area, and if you need to change clothes, you may use the common bathroom upstairs.
Good evening, everyone. It's currently 8 p.m. And kakatapos lang namin mag-dinner. And ngayon, magbo-bonfire kami. Kasi, pag nag-upgrade kayo ng activities, meron na yung kasamang bonfire and ATV. Tapos, yung bonfire, may kasama din na marshmallows. Ayan yung marshmallows and sticks. Wow! Meron pang crackers! Bonfire! I don't know guys if you can see it, but there's so many stars. Tignan nyo naman, ang ganda. Oh, sakto. Thank you po. Hala. Ito naman yung marshmallows natin, guys. May kasama pa siyang crackers. Hihi. Gawa tayo ng s'mores. Eme. Hihi. Dapat dito kayo. Ayan na! Hello! Hello, kaya. Uy, sobrang naman. Ay, mas Currently, 9:10 p.m. Mag-freshen up lang ako. Magpapalit na ako into my pajamas. We really had fun today. Kasi sabay-sabay kami na dinner nila Papa. Tapos nag-bonfire kami. And first time lang namin mag-bonfire together. So tomorrow, pagdating nung mga kapatid ko, magpapaset up ako ulit ng bonfire para ma-recreate namin yung moment na kumpleto kaming lahat. And share ko lang pala sa inyo tong nabili ko sa Mumuso container, travel size container. Nabili ko siya for 120 pesos, I think. And meron na siyang kasamang stickers na pang-label. Nilagay ko dito yung facial wash ko, yung hair conditioner, and also shampoo. Ito na lang yung dinala ko kasi 3 days lang naman kami dito. So, enough na to for me. And very convenient kasi maliit lang yung nasakop niya dun sa bag ko. And nakalagay siya sa pouch na ganito pag binili niyo siya. Pagpasensyahan niyo na pala yung boses ko kasi sobrang grabe. Nagkasakit ako after nung Cebu trip namin and parang pang 6 days ko na ngayon may sakit. Actually, yesterday, sobrang worse ng pakiramdam ko. Nakahiga lang ako, tapos wala akong ginawa kundi umubos, humiga. That's it. But today, I'm so grateful na meron akong energy and I feel so much better. Feeling ko, mga ilang araw pa, gagaling naman ako. And sana hindi tayo magkasakit buong taon. Last na sana to. And this is a reminder to wear your face mask. Most especially pagka lalabas kayo. Hindi ko alam kung matutulog na ako, pero walang ayoko kung matapos yung araw na to. Kaya iniisip ko if tatambay pa ako sa labas, manonood ako ng Netflix or whatever. It's our day 2 here in the cabin and hinihintay lang namin yung mga kapatid namin kasi babiyahin na rin sila papunta dito. Today, we have a full fun day kasi ngayon namin balak gawin yung mga activities. Magkakayak kami, magbabike kami, tapos mamayang hapon mag-archery and sa gabi magpapaset up ako ulit ng bonfire. Medyo maganda yung weather, hindi sobrang init and cloudy nga siya tsaka mahangin. So hindi kami may initan pag naglaro-laro kami.
Good morning, everyone! Just a quick tour around the resort. They actually have 2 infinity pools that guests can use for free. The first one is near the deluxe cabins, and the other one is located by the Resto Bar area. So aside from your private pool, you will also have these options if you want a different view. It's really nice to just walk around the property because you're surrounded by nature. You might also see some ducks and birds and even cats roaming around freely around the resort, which makes the whole place feel more alive and relaxing. We started our morning with a breakfast at the Resto Bar. This is one of my favorite spots, especially during sunset because it overlooks the farm. It's so nice to just dip, dine, and just chill here. Their meals usually range from 150 pesos and above. You can also have your food delivered to your cabin with a 10% service charge.
Make this go away. I need a top shelf drink to set me straight and a little bit of honey to make this go away. Don't even chew her prey, just swallow me whole. It's just a little bit of heart, but that's just how it goes. It's just a scratch, a little water in the tank like a flat. Oh, tired that you changed, just a bad dream, but I gotta wake up late.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's currently 3 p.m. and nagbike na kami. Perfect yung weather ngayon kasi kahit may araw, hindi siya sobrang init sa balat tapos ang lakas ng hangin. So right now, papunta kami dun sa reception area kasi magpapaset up na kami ng archery. Nakarating na rin yung mga kapatid ko. Kaya may kasama na kaming mag-ikot-ikot. Ang ganda dito sa The Cabin kasi if you want to reset, tahimik yung area dito. But at the same time, may balance din ng activities. Plus, free pa siya. And natutuwa ako dun sa iba't ibang klase ng ibon na gumagala dun sa property. Marami ring cats and mga docile sila. Tingnan mo, may mga kakaibang ibon dun.
Aside from walking, you can also use the bikes for free, which is such a fun way to explore the area. You won't get bored here because you can also try archery or even ride an ATV. Another must-try activity is kayaking at the pond, which I absolutely love. What I really like about this place is that it's perfect for relaxation and quiet time, but there's also a good balance of activities. It's a great mix of chill and adventure all in one place.
Baby, saan tayo pupunta?
Labas.
Hello! Kakauwi lang namin, lumabas kami for dinner. And right now, magbo-bonfire kami ulit. Look at that. Grabe naman ang moist.
Mamaya, yung mochi, ilagay mo dito.
Magbo-bonfire kami ulit kasi kumpleto na kami ngayon. And mas madami na kami. Grabe yung moist ng camera ko, pagpasensyahan nyo na guys. Ewan ko kung na-notice nyo or ako lang yun. Parang medyo malamig yung mga, yung gabi natin ngayon, no? Compared to other nights. Parang lamig-lamig! Niloloko ka? Wow! Wow! Yay! Ay. Uy, siya din daw. Wow!
Sama. Halika, sama. Yay!
Ako kung jump siya. Oh, jump. Dali, jump. Come here. Yay! Woo! Hi, vlog! Birthday ko ngayon, vlog!
Ay, nakanabawi ka nga.
So, hello! Woohoo! Happy birthday to me! Nantok na sa te. Nare-relax na. Oh, ayan na.
And that's a wrap on our 3-day staycation at the Cabin Resorts. I really hope you enjoyed this little tour and felt the vibes just like we did. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next adventure. Bye! Mwah.